Hi there, discover Zeerobee 100% blackout curtains that block all sunlight with a stylish linen texture. These curtains offer 3 hanging options including back tabs, rod pockets, and compatibility with ring clips for easy sliding. Designed with a thermal insulated gray lining, they help regulate room temperature by keeping heat out in summer and retaining warmth in winter. Perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, living rooms, and offices, they also reduce noise and ensure privacy for light-sensitive sleepers. Each set includes 2 panels measuring 50 inches wide, fitting most curtain rods with a casual, solid color look. Made from durable, machine-washable linen material, they resist fading, wrinkling, tearing, and wear. Plus, any shipping creases can be quickly smoothed out with a steamer or iron for a fresh look. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.